doesn't matter if you have the skill or not. If you have the skill, well and good, go ahead and do it. If you don't have, you can do service drop shipping. Advertise, market your services, for example, as an e-learning video content editor, and then charge a premium for that service. Once you find somebody who is willing to hire you to provide that service, then go and outsource it to somebody else at a cheaper price, and the difference in the two prices will be your profit. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad that you are watching. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 5 ways you can make money with online courses without actually teaching the said courses. So the number one way you can make money with online courses or with e-learning without actually teaching is as a voiceover artist. What you will have to do is to work with the different online course creators and create voiceover narration or video narration of the courses that they have already created. And one way to market your services is to list them on freelancing platforms such as Fiverr.com, Upwork.com, and the like, and then market your services also to the different platforms. Find where online course creators are already gathering. A good place to start is on Facebook.com. Go to Twitter and advertise for your services and let people know that you offer voice narration or voiceover artist services. Alternatively, you can start your own YouTube channel and let people know that this is how my voice sounds. So you want to have a couple videos to showcase what your voice is like. You want to have a couple audios to showcase. You want to make sure that as you present your services, you specify what you can offer in terms of accent, and you also want to specify what gender, because when somebody is looking for a voiceover artist or a video narrator for their online course, they want to know whether it's a female voice, whether it's a male voice. And if you can play around with both voices, the better for you. There are people who are so talented, they can speak in a female voice, they can speak in a male voice, they can narrate in a British accent, they can narrate in an American accent.
Let's take a look at some of the freelancers on Fiverr who are currently providing e-learning course narration or voiceover services and how much they are making. So we have here Jessica Hepburn. I will be your American female e-learning course narration voiceover. She charges $50 for 2,000 words, 1-day delivery, and she's a level 2 seller with 19 5-star ratings. Somebody else here, I will record a warm and engaging British female voiceover for e-learning. She charges $10 for $200 and currently has 13 5-star ratings and 2 orders in queue. This guy here, Voice Create, is a level 2 seller and will record a British English male voiceover in 24 hours, has 159 5-star ratings, 3 orders on the queue, and is currently charging $10 for 100 words and has a 3-day delivery period. We have this other seller here. I will record your British e-learning online training course voiceover. She's charging $175 for a 550 words. So as you can see in all these gigs, their freelancers tell you what accent they are going to use, whether it's a female or male voice, and also it pays for you to just, you know, like she talks about a warm and engaging British female voice, and then this lady talks about professionally narrating your e-learning. So you want to describe what kind of voice that you are offering.
And all you need to be able to work as a voiceover artist or as a video narrator is just to have a pleasant voice and a welcoming demeanor that will make the courses exciting and, you know, hold the attention of the potential course attendees. The number 2 way you can make money with online courses with e-learning without actually teaching the course is to design professional e-learning course slides or PowerPoint.
Let's check out some of the course slide gigs currently available on Fiverr. There's this level 2 seller. I will design professional e-learning course slides webinar, charging $25 for the basic package, creating up to 10 slides and video PowerPoint. And then there is this other gig. He will charge $50 to create up to 20 slides. And then there is $75 to create up to 30 slides. Currently has 78 5-star ratings and 3 orders in queue. This other gig, I will create a slide deck for your online course. This is a level 1 seller, currently has 28 5-star ratings and is charging $200 for 25 slides. Then we have this other one. I will design slides for your online course or online lessons. This is a level 1 seller, has 6 5-star ratings.
The number 3 way you can make money with online courses, with e-learning without necessarily teaching the online courses, is by developing websites for the online courses. So once the online course creators have developed their courses, they want a place to host their online courses, and this is where you will come in and offer your services, whether you're going to create the different websites on thinkific.com or teachable.com or Kajabi, or even wherever else the online course creator would like to host their course. You're gonna work with them to develop their online course website.
Let's quickly check on Fiverr.com what gigs are currently available for building Teachable, Thinkific, or Kajabi course websites. The first gig we have here is I will build Teachable, Thinkific, or Kajabi course website. This is a level 2 seller with 88 5-star ratings and currently has 5 orders in queue. For the basic package, that is a landing or homepage design, content upload, or one course upload to Kajabi, Thinkific, or Teachable is $30. There is a landing page or homepage page design, content upload plus one course upload to Kajabi, Thinkific, or Teachable for $50. And then for the premium package, you get a full website set up on Kajabi, Thinkific, Teachable plus one course upload. Another gig here, I will help with full setup of Thinkific Teachable online course website. Currently has 9 5-star ratings and 2 orders in queue. What they deliver, they start with theme installation or error fixing at $40. There is website redesign at $70. That is 3 to 6 courses uploading. And then there is $110 to set up your website from scratch. Another gig is this other one here. I will build your Teachable, Thinkific, or Kajabi course website. Currently has 32 5-star rating, a level 2 seller, has 2 orders in queue. For the basic package to design a landing or a homepage design on Kajabi, Thinkific, or Teachable is $30. And then there's a standard package where you get all that is the basic package and one course upload to Kajabi, Thinkific, or Teachable. And then for $200, you get a full website set up on Kajabi. This guy here will build an e-learning course platform for the basic package of $370. This just involves design customization, responsive design, 4 plugins and extensions, and e-commerce functionality for $370. Does not even involve content upload. And then if you want to go for their standard design, it's professional design plus course system, goes for $595. So your user will be able to purchase an individual course, and this goes for $595, no content upload. For the premium version, where you get all the functionalities, design customization, content upload, responsive design, 10 plugins, and e-commerce functionality, they're charging $990, where a user, the system they develop with you for you, the user can be able to purchase a single course or get a membership. And currently this is a top rated seller, has 33 5-star rating and 1 order in the queue. This other guy will build an online academy like Udemy, Kajabi, Thinkific, or Teachable, and basically has three main packages. The basic package is $250. You get an initial level online academy site with courses, student and admin modules, and it's 5 pages. This is what you get. For the standard version, which has 7 pages and all this other design, is $400. And then for the premium package with 10 pages is $500. And currently the guy has 64.9 star ratings. Thinkific or Teachable plus the course upload. So guys, there is money to be made with online courses, with e-learning, without necessarily teaching.
The number 4 way you can make money online with online courses or with e-learning courses without necessarily teaching is to research and help the course content creator to develop an outline and curriculum for the course they are going to offer.
This guy, I will create your course outline and curriculum and lesson plan. Basic package starts at $10 and you get 3-section courses: title, short name, topic and subtopic, 3 days delivery. He has a standard offering of 5 sections, previous 3 sections plus descriptions and learning objective, and then there's a premium version at $40, which is a detailed course outline including descriptions, objective, aim, learning outcomes, course schedule. Currently has 4.9 star rating and 3 orders in queue. We also have this other guy here. I will write course outline, syllabus, lesson plan for your course. He has 17 4.9 star ratings, and his basic plan starts at $20, standard at $35, and then there's a premium at $50, where you get a course title, subtitle and topic section with course descriptions, objective and scheduling.
The number 5 way you can make money online with online courses, with e-learning courses without necessarily teaching the same courses is by helping the online course creators with video editing of their online courses. So once somebody has already created their online course and it's ready in video format, you can help them to edit the said videos to make it more entertaining, more engaging, to make sure the sound is right, the transitions are right, the lighting is right, and everything is right about that video. Obviously, like all the other services, you will need to have a portfolio of other online learning videos that you have edited. So make sure you have like a before and an after, or just the final finished version of online learning videos, so that you can showcase them to your potential customer.
So we have this guy here. I will write your exam quiz or lesson review questions. He is charging $3 per question. So for 10 questions, it's $30 for the premium, for the basic package. For the standard package, that is 50 questions. He charges $2.5 per question, and that's $125, 50 questions. And then for the premium package, it's $2.25 per question, 100 questions, and that is $225. And as you can see, the questions are going to be based on the online course owner's objectives or reference materials. And currently the guy has 19 5-star ratings and 2 orders in queue.
Well guys, that's it for today in terms of how you can make money with online courses, e-learning courses without necessarily teaching. Thank you for staying up to the very end. I'll look forward to meeting you on the next one.